AVAX cost might actually arrive at its likely high of $34.16 toward the finish of 2023. Avalanche cost with a potential flood could go as high as $197.18 toward the finish of 2030. The torrential slide network has collected the interest and loving of the majority from the crypto space with its heavy essentials. Furthermore, rewarding advantages, for example, lightning quick exchange velocities, and adaptability, among others. To enhance this is the return for money invested of AVAX, which as of now weights around 3,476.80% since its most reduced known esteem. In a new buzz, Torrential Slide Labs has worked together with Chainlink. The organization is supposed to engage Torrential Slide in areas like NFT, DeFi, and GameFi. Ethereum, Solana Labs, Polkadot Organization, Land, and Binance work on comparable innovation, and every one of these popular cryptos are viewed as the top adversaries to Torrential Slide. AVAX is really buckling down on making its innovation more prudent and eco-accommodating. With this biological system, validators with negligible equipment can scale to millions. The heavy basics, drives, and improvements have been a basic explanation for Torrential Slide being on the list of must-dos. Are you enthused about putting resources into AVAX? Look no further, as we bring to you the AVAX cost expectation 2023 to 2025 and the years to come. Torrential Slide professes to have quicker exchange time when contrasted in Ethereum blockchain innovation. Regardless of Ethereum, cost is the most famous token in altcoins. Torrential Slide is said to have a superior organization, which gives its clients quicker exchange administrations with less expensive gas charges and said to be more dependable and eco-accommodating. AVAX Value Forecast 2023 to 2030. Torrential Slide has quicker exchanges speed each subsequent when contrasted in crypto monsters like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polkadot. Conveying shrewd agreements on Torrential Slide costs simply a tenth of what they cost on Ethereum. The Ethereum virtual machine is completely running on Torrential Slide. With the assistance of Torrential Slide, span moves of Torrential Slide and Ethereum resources between blockchains will become more straightforward and quicker. Torrential Slide cost for 2023 could go from $17.54 to $34.16. What is AVAX? Torrential Slide is the arising shrewd agreement stage in the crypto business and is the quickest as estimated by time to certainty. Furthermore, has the most validators getting its action of any evidence of stake convention. AVAX stage is blasting fast, which gets supplements from the organization's minimal expense and eco-accommodating qualities. Torrential Slide has its own local token AVAX. The token is utilized to pay for expenses and secure the organization through marking. What's more, give a fundamental unit of record between the different subnets made on AVAX. It professes to have quicker exchange time when contrasted in Ethereum. Ethereum cost is the most well-known token in altcoins. However, Torrential Slide is said to have a superior organization. AVAX Coin Value Forecast 2023. The Torrential Slide establishment has sent off Torrential Slide Multiverse, an impetus program zeroed in on speeding up the reception and development of its book subnet usefulness, which empowers a rich biological system of versatile application-explicit blockchains. At first, the program is centered around supporting new biological systems including, yet not restricted to, blockchain-empowered gaming, DeFi, NFTs, and institutional use cases. The Torrential Slide establishment dispatches a motivator program zeroed in on speeding up the reception and development of its clever subnets, the debut scaling answer for Web 3D apps. In the event that the money proceeds with its turns of events and tie-ups before very long, there are possibilities. The cost might skyrocket to $34.16. On the disadvantage, on the off chance that the market breakdowns and disappointment of updates might prompt a value drop to $17.54. Thinking about every one of the perspectives, the cost might arrive at a typical cost, $25.85 toward the finish of 2023. Torrential Slide Crypto Value Forecast 2024. The bold basics of the organization could welcome more up-to-date selections, acknowledgments, and should push AVAX above significant adversaries. Emerging which, the computerized symbolics cost could shoot up to $59.28 toward the finish of 2024. On the other side, if the crypto resource faces enormous liquidations, the AVAX cost could sink down to $35.26. Progressively, a harmony in exchange practices could land the cost at $47.27. AVAX Value Forecast 2025. While anticipating the cost as long as possible, investigating its verifiable footprints is implied. Also, how it acts when bears surpass the market. Progressively, this quick and secure stage can possibly reach $83.15 toward the finish of 2025. If the altcoin succumbs to any administrative limitations or negative feelings, Then, at that point, the AVAX cost might encounter a pullback of the value rally to $54.92. If the altcoin figures out how to pass every one of the obstacles, the cost would wind up exchanging at a typical cost of $69.04. AVAX coin cost 2026, as indicated by our examiners. Torrential slide crypto cost for the year 2026 could run between $71.85 to $107.24, and the typical cost of a VAX could be around $89.55. Torrential slide crypto value expectation 2027, as per our examiners. AVAX cost for the year 2027 could go between $93.54 to $128.59, and the typical cost of torrential slide could be around $110.06. AVAX crypto cost 2028, as indicated by our investigators. Torrential slide coin cost for the year 2028 could go between $109.17 to $153.95, and the typical AVAX cost could be around $134.56. Torrential slide value expectation 2029, as per our investigators. AVAX crypto cost for the year 2029 could go between $127.65 to $176.23, and the typical torrential slide cost could be around $156.94. AVAX value expectation 2030, as per our examiners. Torrential slide coin cost for the year 2030 could go between $145.23 to $197.18, and the typical cost of a VAX could be around $171.20. Torrential slide value forecast. AVAX is one of the youthful and promising altcoins. We have presented to you some fascinating cost expectation for this coin. The altcoin would keep humming its achievements with consistent updates this year. As per crucial examination, the driving force behind the torrential slide convention is Carnell analyst Emin Firearm Sire, which was sent off in September 2020. The fundamental rationale of this send-off was to get secure and quick exchanges the worldwide installment space. Torrential slide is a protected stage for sending off dApps, monetary items, exchanging, and different administrations. Any brilliant agreement-profited application can lead over its rivals on torrential slide. Torrential slide effectively sent off its mainnet on September 21, 2020. Torrential slide has its own local token AVAX that offers upgraded security with the capability of taking care of trillion exchanges each second. This local token works as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Verifiable Market Feelings 2020 to 2022. AVAX made its presentation in September with an ICO of $5.40 and with a market capitalization of $128,248,483.